Good morning children, welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all good. So in previous session we had completed page number 29 children. So once we'll revise page number 29. So yesterday I explained 1 and 3 no children. So now I will explain fourth one. So here what are the numbers given here, you have to check it children, and then you have to complete the pattern. 2 5 6 2 2 5 6 3 2 5 6 4, and you have to complete remaining 3 number pattern. Yes, first check it children, which place of the digit is changing, you have to check it. Yeah, first 2, so read these numbers first. 2562, 2563, 2564. Which place of the digit changing children? 2, 3, 4. So what place it is? Ones place. So here ones place of the digit is changing. First we have to check it which place of the digit is changing, and then you have to check it increasing or decreasing. Yes, 2, 3, 4. It increasing or decreasing children? It increasing. So 2, 3, 4. Now it's here 2604 after 5. So 2465 and 5 after 2566, 2567. Okay, how to write like this everyone children here. And one more number is there next. 2568. Okay, 2568. So just you have to check it first, which place of the digit is changing. It ones place or tens place or hundreds place or thousands place, you have to check it, and then you have to check it this is increasing or decreasing. So if it is increasing means you have to add 1 and then 1 and write. If it is decreasing means we have to check it and decrease once and write. Now just turn to next page number 30. Radha is going for a drive with her parents. Look at the odometer in her car. Okay, Radha is going for a drive. Where the Radha is going children? So Radha is going for a drive with her parents. Look at the odometer in her car. Yes, do you know odometer children? So what is the use of odometer? So odometer tells us the distance travelled by a vehicle. Okay, odometer tells us the distance travelled by a vehicle. Yes, you can see the odometers in cars, bikes, or buses and lorries, vans. You can see this odometer. Okay, children, this is odometer. Odometer tells the distance travelled by a vehicle. For example, I travelled from Mandapeta to Rajahmundry. Okay, I travelled to Mandapeta to Rajahmundry. I want to know how much distance travelled. Okay, I want to know how much distance travelled. How I have to find it children? Yes, we can see the distance travelled by me in this odometer. Okay, I can see the distance travelled by me in this odometer. Okay, now here given three questions. First one, the number that is circled in the odometer tells us the distance travelled by the car. Okay, so this is the distance travelled by the car, 5475. Okay, so this is the distance travelled by a car. First read the number and write it here. Read the number and write it here. So everyone read it children. This 5475. Am I correct or not? So write 5000. Here 5 is 5. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. You can give the places, you can write very easily children. Okay, 5000. 5 is in thousands place. So write 5000. How many hundred children? 400. Here 4 are 4. HUN hundred and 400 and it's 75. Okay, 75. 4,575. So write everyone number and number name. Next, first question, what will be the reading after the car travels another 10 kilometers? Okay, here this is in 0 kilometers, children. Now what we have to find? We have to find the what will be the reading? What will be the reading? Another 10 kilometers. So another 10 kilometers, how we have to find, children? So just you have to add 10 to this number. We have to add 10 to this number. We'll get the reading after 10 kilometers. So 5,475 plus 10. Okay, have to add 10. So now I will explain, children, how we have to add 10. You can add very easily. So we are adding 10 now, children. In 10, 1's place is 0. So just add 1 in 10's place. Okay, this is 10's place of the digit now. So just add 1 in 10's place. So write my digits as in 5, 4. So in the 10's place 7 is there now. 7 plus 1, 8 and 5. It's 5,485. Okay, 5,485. So what will be the reading after 10 kilometers? 5,485. So write it, everyone. 5,485. Then next, second question. What will be the reading after the car travels another 100 kilometers? We have to find it. The car travels another 100 kilometers. Now how we have to find, children? Write this number 5,485. Now after 100, no, children, add 100. How we have to add 100? So just add in 100, 1's place is 0 and 10's place is 0, no. So just add 1 in 100's place. So check the first which is in the 100's place. You have to find the 100's place digit. Yes, 4 is in 100's place. Just add 1 in 100's place of the digit. So 4 plus 1, 5. Add 1. 4 plus 1 is also 5 and 8 and 5. So 5,585. So this is the reading after 100 kilometers. 5,585. And then what you have to find, third one? What will be the reading after 100 kilometers? Okay, children, what will be the reading after 100 kilometers? Sorry, after 1,000 kilometers here given. So find out 5,585. Now add 1,000. Now add 1,000. Yes, how we have to add, children? In 1,000, these three are zeros, no. So just add 1 in 1,000's place. 5 plus 1, 6. Write remaining digits as same, children. So 6,585. Okay, 6,585. So this is the distance traveled after 1,000 kilometers. 6,585. So everyone write like this, children. So just if you are adding 10 means just add 1 in 10's place, and adding 100 means just add 1 in 100's place, and adding 1,000 means just add 1 in 1,000's place. Okay, children, I hope everyone clear. And then now everyone open companion, children. Companion page number 14. So project time. Make your own college. In which year were you born? So in which year were you born? You have to write it, children. So you were born 2002 or 2003 or 2004, you have to write it. And in which year did you start the school? So which year did you start, children? For example, if you were born 2002, no. So when did you start school? In 2002 only? No. In 2006 or 2007? No. You have to write in which year did you start school. And then in which years were you in class 1 and class 2 and class 3? So in which year were you in class 3, children? Now you are studying class 3, no. So what? So this is 2021. Am I correct or not? Here given by class 1, class 2, class 3. So now you are studying class 3 and this is 2021, so right, 2021, and you are in class 2 2020, am I correct or not? And in class 1 2019, so like that you have to write it, children. And then how many digits are there in these numbers? How many digits are there in these numbers? You have to find it. Collect the photos of yourself from each year of school, paste them on a sheet of chart paper with the dates, put them up in your think room. So what you have to do, children? Collect photos of yourself from each year of school. So if first you join in PP1, am I correct, children? And then PP2, class 1, class 2, class 3. So just you have to collect the pictures of every year. Okay, collect the pictures of yourself from each year of school. Okay, each year means PP1, PP2, class 1, class 2 and class 3, and you have to paste them in a sheet of paper. You have to paste them in sheet of paper and put them in your think room, but you are not coming to school, no, children. So just paste it sheet of paper. Yes, is it clear to everyone what you have to do in this project? So first write in which year you were born and in which year you did start the school, and in which years were you in class 1 and class 2 and class 3, you have to write it, and how many digits are there in these numbers, you have to write it, and collect and paste the pictures of each year of school. Okay, so everyone complete project time, children, and today I will send maths class chapter 2 notes, so please everyone check it in Google Classroom and complete chapter 2 notes. Okay, this is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.